Pre-cooling your home is one of the best benefits that you can experience with the whole house fan. This is the key to saving up to 50 to 90% on your AC costs through a principle called thermal mass cooling. With the whole house fan, it is important to use the system to its advantage, which is to supercool the entire home, including the mass of the home. Since an AC system can only cool the ambient air, the rest of the home is retaining the heat from the day, constantly reheating the home, keeping your AC cycling on and off throughout the entire day and night. But with the whole house fan, you can cool the entire mass of the home, preventing the AC from coming on as early in the day as it would have without the whole house fan. During the summer, most moderate climate areas can hit temperatures in the mid to high 90s, or even the low 100s. But at nighttime, the temperature drops into the 60s. Rather than just running your whole house fan until you feel cool, run the fan all night long. By running it all night long, your house will be cooler than it normally would be, which is important for the remainder of the day. Let's say you cooled your home down to a refreshing 63 degrees by the morning. By doing this, your home will reheat much slower than normal, meaning by 4 p.m. on a 100-degree day, instead of your home being in the high 70s or low 80s without the AC running, your home will most likely be in the mid-70s with no AC usage at all. By pre-cooling your home, you'll only need to run your AC for a few hours. This not only keeps your home cool, but also slashes your energy bills. Experience the comfort and savings with whole house fans. Start pre-cooling your home today.